guys, my name is Dida and welcome to my channel. For those who are new and love honest review, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. It will be so much love from you. Thank you so much for today's video, guys. As you saw it in the title, the full coverage foundation ever. Like I heard and I saw some review on this and I was like, should I? I'm not full coverage girl for those who knows me, but who know me, sorry. But guys, I'm here for you and I love makeup, so why not? I actually make an order directly from the website, Smashbox website, and here is the foundation and they are really cute. They sent me a brush. I didn't order the brush, but it was like a free brush when you order the Smashbox full coverage from this new foundation. I don't know why actually. First of all, I thought that it was like a mistake and they said no. I was so happy because Smashbox brushes are awesome, bomb, but pricey. So when you have one free, go for it, go for it. But I already have this one, right? I already have this one. And yeah, so let's talk about the foundation because we are here for that. This is, it comes in, it comes, I mean their website, it comes in 40 shades that are matte, matched and made for you. For us, it means, so this is a comfortable 24 hours full coverage foundation that weightlessly glides over skin. It controls oils and shine and has a blurring effect. I love when foundation has blurry effects, guys. Also, it's waterproof, sweat and humidity resistant. Won't look cakey or cause acne. It sounds good. It sounds like incredible. I'm scary. I will tell you why. Because the shade. When you make your order on website and online, the shade is a big problem. Yes. So let's see, okay? I need to fix my hair first and I will use the brush that I already have from them, that I already have because I really love it. Like this brush is so soft, I love it. Let's talk about it. Full coverage 24-hour foundation, studio skin. Like the packaging outside, like cute, right? Honestly cute. It's cute. I love this kind of packaging. Like, no, this thing here. This is really cute. And here it is. But honestly, like Fenty Beauty one, when it comes out from the packaging, you know, it sounds like small. Don't know why. It's a tube. It's honestly, it's handy. I mean, when you go out, when you travel, when you want to get it in your bag. Honestly, it's really handy to have a tube. Oh, sorry, the price. It's important. The price is $36. Okay, $36 and 40 shades. 40 shades. Yes. Great. So it's a tube like this. I think I need to do something like that, maybe to shake it, or I don't know. My face is already primed and I wanna do a fair review. That's why I used primer that I know, because they also came up with new primer. I wanna check it. Because I took a sample of this primer because I wanna really check it. Like, wanna try it. But today I used this one that I really liked. For those who didn't see my NYX affordable makeup review, I tried this one and since I tried it, I really like it. Like really like it. So here it is, guys. It's a tube like this. Let's see. I'm scared about the shape. Okay, it's thick. It's thick. And I think that I use too much because they said that you don't need that much. It is how it is. Let's see. But actually, there is no smell. Like, there is a smell, but like foundation smell, nothing, there is no fragrance, and this is awesome because I really like that. Let's do it. I'm scary. Okay, let's do like this, guys. Brush. Oh, this is full coverage. Really? Oh, I'm not a full coverage girl, but this is full coverage. Oh, sorry, the shade. I mean the shade. I'm so sorry, guys. Fair undertone neutral 0.3. Okay. I don't need that much. Honestly, I will go directly in the other side. Whoa! Oh my god! It even hide my freckles, and I love my freckles. Oh my god! The shade sounds good. I will show you closer. Let's be closer, guys, okay? Here it is. With, of course, without. With and without. It really blurs your skin. And it's really full coverage, guys. What do you think? For those who love full coverage foundation, please let me know in the comment what do you think. Is it like Huda Beauty one? Because Huda Beauty one is really full coverage too. Actually, I even don't know if I can go out with this. Because for me it's too much. I try to use less in this side. I prefer it like that. Oh my god, you know what? It's so soft, like really. So here it is. Less than a pump. Less, like really you have to, like I don't know how to explain it to you, but like you have to dispatch each, you know, when you need more you can get it here, more here, you know, because it's really full coverage. It's incredibly soft. It sets immediately. I don't know. I mean, this is wasting product, guys, and I buy it by my own money. Maybe I have to buy, you know, those things, those things, plastic things, you know, and you put product inside, just not to waste it, you know. So guys, here is the final look. So honestly, I didn't set it everywhere. I just set under my eye, and I use Smashbox because I love it. You already know that I love Smashbox concealer. And just do bronzer, highlighter without setting. I just set my under eye, and that's it. I feel that you don't need to set it. Like honestly, don't know, but this foundation is great for a first impression. I need to test it more because, as you know, I'm not that full coverage foundation, but I feel that when you just pick a little bit here and there, you know, you can like manage the coverage, you know, if you want it more or less, because it's lightweight, and yeah, like you need a really small amount. So I really love it. And as I told you, this is a first impression. I will see if it will set here in my smile lines, wrinkles. I don't know. I have to check it. So guys, happy to share this with you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you like those kinds of video, honest reviews, let me know in the comment box. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media. I love you so much. Bye.